Hi everyone, welcome back to Anova Trades. Today we're going to be looking at my 2K account that we started in the last video. As you can see, we are down so far, so I made one trade today, and basically what happened was we didn't correctly follow our entry and exit kind of conditions. So we're going to go through a little bit of that today, but as you can see, this is kind of the interface we're working with Go. So I've never used this before, it's my first time. Originally I had 2,000, now I've got 1,996.2, which is a 0.19% drawdown. Now, this is a bit different from my estimate that I had of only having a drawdown of 0.5%. So what I've done is I've actually stopped my loss a bit shorter there, and I've made it so that I've only lost $3.30. As you can see, my drawdown levels here, the max permitted daily loss is obviously looking very good, because I didn't lose too much money as a max permitted loss here all the way. We've got quite a lot of time to go until we get the loss there. So we've got one trade, obviously it was a losing trade for $3.30, lots 0.10, average RRR 0.00, win rate 0.00 because I've not won a trade. Obviously that's how the market is looking. As you can see, we started the account on the 15th of the 12th, 2024 for a $2,000 account with Go, a normal two-step account. And currently we're on phase one. I just wanted to let people know what this kind of interface looks like for this challenge. So to go through my trades, we're going to look at my Discord. This is down in the description down below. I've put all my methodology here, and obviously people have critiqued it. People have also kind of confirmed different things. Some people were looking at different times as to when I was doing it because there's different time zones in the server. So here's like a sneak peek into the server. If you're not already in it, make sure down below in the description to check it out. So obviously I determined a bearish outlook at 725. So for context, I entered my trade. We can find the positions here. As you can see, I entered my trade at 7:34 a.m. Closed it at only 2 minutes later, so it was a very quick trade. So I entered my trade. About 10 minutes after I made this analysis, I actually proposed a bearish outlook on EUR to USD, considering fundamental analysis and downgrade rating of French credit by Moody's. Now, the technicals also determined a bearish trend in pre-market conditions, and I actually listened to someone else in my Discord, the head admin. He was talking about different levels. I want to emphasize this is not financial advice. That will be down below in the description. This is only for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. I want to note that my trade is rather forced because there is bias. Yeah, that's correct. So it was quite a forced trade because I never actually followed my 0.5% risk. I actually set a stop loss at 0.9%. So in the future, setting a better stop loss will be more important in following the plan. The first trade has been taken to understand my margin size and volume. So this is kind of what happened. Here was my trade. It was an active trade ongoing. So as you can see, this is a trade here. Exactly what it looked like when I was taking it. At 35 minutes past 7 in the morning. It was really early. I was watching Bloomberg at like 6:45 in the morning. It was a proper rough. TP I set here, and I set a stop loss here. As you can see, I took the trade just about here. Now, so my methodology, but my reasoning for taking this trade is because I did see a general trend, and I thought, got liquidity here, and I thought price could respect supply and demand levels here and shoot back up. Now, obviously, it didn't. It broke down here, and it continued falling, and it ended up hitting the stop loss. So you are all a learning curve. However, even though my trade did hit the stop loss, it's really important to understand that I actually proposed a bearish outlook, and I went in for a bullish trade, which was very much kind of contradictory to what I was doing. So I think it was like a first trade bias. I had a kind of an excitement behind it, and I had more of an expectation that I thought it would do well. So some other analysis I did. This trade did have a bias on supply and demand and gave me a grasping of price. Should have followed applying closer. Did not risk the 0.5%. Instead risked around 0.25%. And here you go. Here is the technicals of the trade. And as you can see, put everything in the Discord. You can see all these messages. Everything is nice and open for people to see. It even quoted me back saying I determined a bearish outlook, which is quite funny because it continued to move bearish, as you can see, up until 7:40 from 7:20. So I actually graphed this. I actually correctly predicted a bearish movement here, and it continued with a lot of liquidity here, no liquidity there. I believe that's, if I'm not wrong, please correct me, 58 pips, might be wrong. I believe that's what it's called. So yeah, that was my methodology behind it. In terms of The trade, I thought it went okay. My psychology was relatively good. I just thought it's first trade, so we'll reduce the risk and learn about the interface. And yeah, as you can tell, I'm quite tired, so I'm going to end the video now. But please give the video a like and subscribe if you can, and you're listening to this point. And once again, Discord down below. Also, my affiliate code for buying a GoatFunded account. This account only cost me $15 or £12.50, and I would recommend it to people who would like to try prop firms. I would recommend that. But once again, this video is not financial advice, and thank you for watching.